Dun, 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 dun. Music is intense. Welcome back to Poorly Recorded Gaming, the show where I very poorly record my gaming due to Jerry's setup and overall lack of skill. Let's take down a freaking angry bird, bro. Hell yeah. Let's go. Alright, now go blow up those cannons. And we're into it. Oh, he draws their fire, I forgot. Oh, that was dangerously close. Might be targeting me now. Alright, 2 more to go. Here we go. Alright, now he's targeting me. Yeah, 1 more to go. Then we're in. Alright. Oh, it's targeting me. Oh. Oh, that very nearly hit me. That very nearly hit me. Ah. There we go. Cannons down. Scree.
Well done, Link. That thing is history.
Yeah. I'ma land on the birdie. Jesus is fucking huge. Whoa, whoa, bro. Bro. Ah.
Bad news, Link. Looks like I got hit pretty good back there. I think I need to get back to the flight range.
Go, man. I can handle
I
this.
just hope that I can make it back.
Yeah, you got
Down
this.
the middle. Good luck. It's all you.
Bird thumbs up. Bird up. Bird up. First divine beast, here we go. This is the 3rd time I've done this and still I'm getting goosebumps. I'm sad, bro. Travel gate, register to map. So yeah, we can teleport off and teleport back on if we need to get more stuff.
Well, I've seen that face before.
Hello? Ravioli?
I had a feeling you would show up eventually. Waiting 100 years is a bit indulgent.
Well, can't blame me, I was dead.
You're here to wrest control of Meadow away from Ganon, correct?
Aye.
If so, first thing you'll want to do is find yourself a map. guidance stone has the information for the layout of this divine beast.
Yes, obviously. Get out of my hair. I'm gonna swap back to normal arrows. I'm gonna head back here first. Because I just turned around and saw it. Oh, eyeball is there. There we go. Here. Yeah, there's more of Ganon's spiky poos over in this neck of the woods. So in we go. Before I ask, no, we don't get the arrow back. 'Cause why would we? Set draft going up through the middle. Use magnesis. Up. Up. Oh. And then swap to another weapon. Ow. Guardian Spear. It is not as good, so we're going to swap to that. Got some springs. Alright, Ravioli. I'm getting the frickin' map. Giga Slate authenticated. Distilling map of Divine Beast. Yeah. So you get to control the way it tilts. Divine Beast controls have been enabled.
You'll need to look closely at your map of the divine beast.
Gotcha.
The terminals that will activate metal are marked by those glowing points.
Alright.
You'll need to activate all of the terminals to take back control.
Naturally.
Think you're up to it?
Yes, fuck off. Frickin' prick. So yeah, now we have a map of here. The yellow arrow is where we are. These control the tilt. And the glowing points. Yeah, see, now we have a mini map. So I think where do we want to head first? Let's go that direction. So if we want to go that direction, then tilting downward. Alright, and now tilt back to normal. So now we get into the puzzle solving part. There we go. Oh, and I dropped a chest. Wow. Ice arrows. Well, those are quite handy. Okay. Yeah, I can see this. Okay. So now what we want to do... Oh. Oh, hey. Neat. Alright. So... that opened up where? Oh my god, did it not? Oh my god. There we go. That opened it up. Terminal number 1. Chica's Light authenticated.
There are 4 terminals remaining. Still a ways to go.
Yeah, I know. Fuck off. So now, if we check the map here, there's another terminal in the bottom section there. So we need to go in the bowels, belly of the beast. But there's some stuff we can do on the other side while it's tilted in this way. And we will do that next time on Poorly Recorded Gaming. We got the map and we got the first terminal. We are making slow but steady progress in the confines of a little under 15 minutes. Anyway, that's going to be it for this episode. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to. It's completely your choice. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.